Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anastasia, I'm macrame artist at Macrame Princess. In this tutorial I will be teaching you how to make this pretty macrame garland. It's super easy to make and it makes a really nice decoration to your room. So please enjoy this tutorial. Let's get started. For this project we will need around 45 meters of 3mm macrame cord, scissors and measuring tape. In this project we will use following macrame knots: boxhead knot and square knot. In this tutorial I will be showing how to make them, but if you would like to learn more about the basics of macrame, please join my beginner online macrame course. I'll leave the link for the course in the description box below. Now let's start. Cut one 100 cm cord and tie its endings to two pieces of furniture, pins or two clothes racks as I did. Now will come probably the most annoying part. You will have to cut 32 130 cm long cords. After you did the cutting, take one cord, fold it in half and tie it to the cord using boxhead knot. Take the second cord and tie it close to the first one using boxhead knot. Tie two more cords. After this, tie another group of 4 cords around 10 cm away from the first one. Then another one and one more until you will have 8 groups of 4 strings. Now take first 4 strings in a group of first 4 cords and tie a square knot. Tie a second square knot near it. Make another square knot connecting the first two. Tie another row of 2 square knots. And finally make one more square knot connecting the previous two. Now repeat this pattern with every group of 4 strings. Now take two far right strings from the first group and two far left strings from the next one and tie them together using square knot. Take next two strings from the first group and make a square knot connecting them with the middle knot. Now take two strings from the next group and connect them together with the middle group using square knot. Now tie a square knot connecting two knots in the middle group. Tie together all the groups of 4 cords using the same pattern. And voila, we are done! Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, because it really supports my channel. If you would like to learn more about my online beginner macrame course, please click the link in the description box below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. I upload new tutorials every week. See you soon. Bye!